Children who do not brush their teeth are at risk for cavities, bad breath, discoloration, tooth decay, and gum disease. These issues can lead to pain, difficulty eating and speaking, potential problem with permanent teeth. It is crucial to establish good oral hygiene habits early to prevent these lasting effects, as tooth decay is a common chronic disease in children. So, take care of your children for good oral hygiene and must do dental checkup. Thank you.